Welcome to Chatswood Chase, where the ProScaff temporary staircase, supplied and expertly installed by GM Scaffolding, demonstrates practicality and compliance in action, designed for heavy foot traffic. This staircase, with its 5 landings, ensures smooth pedestrian flow during the centre's renovation. ProScaff public access stairs are built to cater to the daily hustle of public spaces for high traffic areas like Chatswood Chase. Enabling smooth and safe egress between floors was a must-have for the centre. With features like continuous handrails, child-safe barriers, clear stair edges and non-slip surfaces, ProScaff was selected as the ideal solution for the shopping centre. The staircase, expertly installed by GM Scaffolding, provided safe, uninterrupted access in places where traditional scaffolding couldn't, and it catered for a diverse crowd with its array of safety features throughout, further enhanced by GM's attention to detail in matching the centre's colour scheme for a seamless aesthetic integration. Choosing ProScaff means investing in a stair system where safety, inclusivity and compliance converge, not just to meet, but to exceed Australian standards, ensuring every step is secure and every journey is made with peace of mind. Head to our website to see more on our public access range and projects.